In this video, we'll be looking at how to solve linear systems of equations in the graphing calculator. So to solve this linear system that we have on the screen, what we first want to do is put this system into an augmented matrix. So the augmented matrix will be 2 rows by 3 columns, and we'll populate it with the coefficients of x and y. So 9 for 9x, 6 for 6y, and then for the second row, 2 for 2x, and -6 for -6y. Now the augmented part is what comes after the equal sign. And so usually we draw a little line here to mean the equal sign, but the calculator won't have that, and that's okay. So we'll put 4 and 1. So this is our system of linear equations in an augmented matrix. So to solve this, we want to put this into our calculator. So we'll hit second and then matrix. We'll go over to edit and then select a matrix. And here on the screen, we can see that I've put in that it's a 2 by 3 matrix, and I've typed in all of our values already. So once we have all of our values typed in, we want to hit second and then quit, and then go back to the matrix menu. So we'll hit second and then matrix. We'll go over to math, and then we want to go up. We want to find the RREF function. RREF stands for reduced row echelon form. It's a simplified version of a matrix, so it's reduced as far as it can go. And the process that the calculator does to reduce that matrix is called Gauss-Jordan elimination. So what we want to do is we want to find the reduced row echelon form of the matrix. And so to do that, we'll hit second and then matrix and select our matrix A. Then we just hit enter, and this simplifies the matrix for us. So what we want to do now is hit the math button and select fraction to turn these decimals into fractions. And so what we want to do now is write out these rows of our matrix as a system of linear equations again. So our first row, our columns go x, y, and then the solution. So our first column, that's 1x plus 0y equals 5/11. And then the second row says 0x plus 1y equals -1/66. And that's how we solve a system of linear equations in the graphing calculator.